Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the last class, we have learnt parts of a plant. Right? Yes. Do you remember the parts? What you have learnt in the last class? Yes. Can you tell me? Root, stem, leaf, flowers, fruits, seeds, and its function. Children, I hope you all learned the topic well, right? Yes. Today I am going to teach you the next topic of this lesson is germination. What is germination? A seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Children, a seed has a baby plant called embryo inside it. When a seed gets the right amount of air, water, and sunlight, it grows into a baby plant. The baby plant needs air, water, and light to continue growing. Children, take your science book. Turn page number 73. Germination. When a seed gets the right amount of air, water, and warmth, it grows into a baby plant. Underline the word air, water, and warmth. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Underline the word seed grows into a new plant is called germination. The new plant needs air, water, and light to continue growing. Underline the word new plant needs air, water, and light. Children, take page number 74. Let's do the book exercise. Roman number 1, objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Question number 1. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is called dash. Root or shoot. Answer root. R-O-O-T, root. Question number 2. A dash root appears bushy and has no main root. Taproot or fibrous root. Answer fibrous. F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous root. Question number 3. The dash carries water and food to all parts of a plant. Root or stem. Answer stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Question number 4. Dash helps leaves to absorb light. Chlorophyll or stomata. Answer chlorophyll. C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L. Chlorophyll. Question number 5. Most flowers change into dash. Fruits or seeds. Answer fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Next B. Choose the correct option. Question number 1. Roots of which of these plants are eaten by us? A. Spinach and mint, radish and carrot, potato and ginger, onion and mint. Answer radish and carrot. Turn page number 75. Question number 2. Which of these parts of a plant grow on stems? Leaves, buds and flowers, fruits, all of these. Answer all of these. Which substance gives leaves a green color? Veins, lamina, stomata, chlorophyll. Answer chlorophyll. Question number 4. Which of these roots does grass have? Taproot, fibrous root, beetroot, long root. Answer: fibrous root. Question number 5. Which part of the plant becomes a fruit? Leaf, bud, flower, seed. Answer: flower. Question number 6. Which of the following is the gas given out by leaves? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, air. Answer: oxygen. Question number 7. Which of these are edible seeds? Wheat and rice, corn and bean, cumin and black pepper, all of these. Answer: all of these. Question number 8. Which of the following is a flower that we eat? Banana, broccoli, ginger, cabbage. Answer: broccoli. Next, Roman number 2. Very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. The part of the plant that is above the ground. Answer: shoot. S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Question number 2. A root system in which there is a main root and many small roots growing from it. Answer: taproot. T-A-P, tap, R-O-O-T, root. Question number 3. Thick and strong stem of a tree. Trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Question number 4. The flat surface of a leaf. Leaf blade. L-E-A-F, leaf, blade. B-L-A-D-E, blade. Question number 5. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant. Germination. G-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, germination. Next, give 2 examples for the following. Question number 1. Plants with the taproots. Bean, mustard. B-E-A-N, bean, mustard. M-U-S-T-A-R-D, mustard. Question number 2. Plants with fibrous roots. Grass, wheat. G-R-A-S-S, grass, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Question number 3. Stems that we eat. Ginger, sugarcane. G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger, sugarcane. S-U-G-A-R, sugar, cane. C-A-N-E, sugarcane. Question number 4. Flowers that we eat. Cauliflower, broccoli. C-A-U-L-A, cauliflower. F-L-O-W-R, cauliflower, broccoli. B-R-O-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Question number 5. Edible seeds. Corn, bean. C-O-R-N, corn, bean. B-E-A-N, bean. Children, take your science booklet. Lesson 7. Parts of a plant. Already we have written 4 questions, right? Yes. Today you write the 5th question. Okay. Question number 5. What is germination? What do seeds need for germination? The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. A seed needs the right amount of air, water and warmth to grow into a new plant.